ICOP Technology is a company that was formed from the DM&P Group, which is an x86 chip manufacturing company, founded over 3 decades ago in Taiwan in 1989. ICOP has 9 locations all over the world, with branches in China, Japan, the United States, and Germany, with our headquarters being located in Taiwan, as well as a brand new location in Mexico. ICOP designs and manufactures industrial-grade single-board computers and system-on modules, as well as panel PCs, e-boxes, which are mini-box PCs, 3D printers, and x86-based Arduino platforms. By being the manufacturer of our own line of x86 CPU chips and single-board computers, we can ensure extended product life cycles, each lasting a minimum of 10 years, as well as specialized technical support. The Vortex86EX2 is a new generation asymmetric 2-core CPU which utilizes both cores simultaneously to boot and run different operating systems without affecting each other. The CPU supports Windows, Linux, DOS, or various real-time OS for industrial and embedded applications. The Vortex86EX2 has unique asymmetric computing. This means that the master-slave cores are able to execute different operating systems at the same time without affecting each other. This includes when there are failures occurring in a single core. ICOP is now introducing its line of Intel panels, boards, and compact PCs. With greater processing power and higher graphical standards, our Intel solutions offer a premium yet affordable option that will satisfy requirements for most industry projects in a wide variety of environments. Along with the Intel solution, ICOP is proud to introduce an ARM solution that is low cost yet powerful enough to run a multitude of apps simultaneously. The ARM architecture has been implemented into both compact PCs and panels alike for an all-in-one solution that will be ready to perform right away. By implementing a solid composition of roadmaps, maintaining version control, preemptively announcing end-of-life deadlines and last buys, and providing compatible product upgrade paths, ICOP works hand-in-hand with clients to ensure that their projects can flourish. The strength of our engineering team and depth of our technical resources allows us to adapt to new incoming projects while maintaining exceptional support for past projects alike. Some past and current projects include digital signage, kiosks, medical instruments, and transportation, not to mention automation. For clients who need a more specialized solution than what our standard products provide, ICOP Technology offers custom design, engineering, and manufacturing services. OEM projects are common and undergo strenuous testing to establish product effectiveness, resulting from a consolidation of development. ICOP now offers conformal coating, which provides additional protection against a variety of hazards such as moisture, dust, salt, chemicals, temperature changes, and mechanical abrasion.